Your Diablo 2 Resurrected Token of Absolution Respec recipe failed permanently, but we're fixing that right now. This critical error stops your character progression, but the solution is simpler than you think. First, verify your game file's integrity through the battle. Net Launcher, this replaces any corrupted data that might be causing the Respec recipe failure. If that doesn't work, try restarting the Diablo 2 client and clearing the temporary game cache, which often contains outdated or conflicting information. Running the game as administrator is also crucial as it grants the necessary permissions for the Respec function to execute correctly. If the issue persists, the problem might be deeper, requiring us to reset your Diablo 2 settings entirely and then delete your character's save file before attempting to re-download game data and launch the game normally to see if a fresh start resolves the Token of Absolution recipe fix. Should that still not work, a full repair of your game installation files or even a complete reinstallation on a different drive can clear out stubborn bugs. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated and your system meets all requirements before trying the Respec again. If all else fails, we'll look at contacting Blizzard support with detailed error logs and following their official troubleshooting steps to ensure a permanent fix for your failed Respec.